Hey everybody, this is Wireless Productions doing a little product demo on KW Machine Works GoPro and camera mounts. These are the same camera mounts I use when I do track days in the CUDA. I use them because these are the best camera mounts I've ever seen. They were first developed right around when GoPro first came out. KW stands for Ken Warren. He's the owner. He machined these for GoPro themselves when they first came out, and then since then they've been used on countless Baja trucks, Baja 1000 in Mexico, King of the Hammers, off-road rigs, you name it. They're extremely well built and rugged. All aluminum construction, except for the screws. They're steel. Black anodized, very high quality. This particular mount right here is a roll bar diameter mount. This particular diameter is 1.75, which is the majority of the bars in the CUDA. It comes with a threaded base, which if you see closely right there, it adapts to the GoPro mount, which is, if you see closely as well too, it's threaded right there. There it goes. The camera base, you have to disassemble it. There's a screw, it's basically a screw. You disassemble it there, and then you thread it through. There's a hole here. You see closely. See that hole right through there, through the center. It screws through that so you can mount a standard camera base, 1/4-20 camera base on here. Mounts a 360 camera or a regular camera, a DSLR, mounted on there. All the camera mounts come with a 5/32 hex Allen key, and even that's made in USA, so you can't beat that. Like I said, extremely high quality, made in US. This is the first version that KW manufactures. It's a roll bar diameter, like I said. There's various sizes, 1.5, 1.75, I think up to 2 inches, I believe. All the sizes are on my website. I have them for sale there. There's also a second version that I use. I'll show you here on the CUDA. It is an adjustable version that uses a hose clamp. So the beauty of this is that as long as the hose clamp is big enough, you can secure it to any size tubing. KW actually got a big enough hose clamp and fixed one of their GoPros to a water bottle, and they got pretty good shots with it, pretty funny shots. It's really portable, very modular. There's a knurled groove here that you can unscrew, and you can mount your GoPro camera. Here's my little GoPro session that I use my filming with. This is an aftermarket Chinese case for the GoPro session. It was $40, so you can't beat that. It comes separate. It doesn't come with this. I bought this off eBay, so. But the hose clamp mount comes in really handy if you want to keep moving this to different locations. You just pop it off with a hex drive right there, a standard screwdriver hex drive, and like I said, it fits different various sizes as long as the hose clamp is big enough. Really solid. I can move the car and with it pretty much just shaking it down around. So that's that. I recommend this if you, like I said, if you want to move your camera to different spots. I would use the standard camera mount. If you want to fixate your camera position, because it's really cumbersome sometimes to change out the screws when you're inside the car. I've dropped the screws before and expletives came out. You know, it's hard to find the screws when you are trying to mount it, and you drop one, you end up dropping the hex key as well. So it's really cumbersome sometimes. I think that's why Mr. Warren developed the hose clamp. It's just more convenient. They're both solid though. If you want to keep your camera permanent at a certain position, these are the mounts to use. Set it once and it's always fixated. It's never going to move as long as you torque these two screws down. Pretty much a huge range of motion, field of view. When you torque these two, you can adjust them, infinitely adjustable. So I use that for my A-pillar mount. There's another one there. You see it's threaded as well. It's modular, so I can easily pop off that GoPro session and mount it there. I use another one. I use an extension that's near my driver's seat for the in-camera views that you saw me from Laguna Seca, and from then on I'm pretty much going to use that one, but this one comes in handy too. That's the one I used in my Sonoma video. I didn't have the extension that they sell as well. It's a 12-inch extension that you can place the camera to even more locations. So that's a little review. I sell these at my website for a little discount, a little bit less than KW Machine Works themselves. They were nice to let me be a dealer for them. So, but like I said, if you're using anything else, you can't beat these for the price. Made in USA, super high quality. Even damn hex keys made in USA. So, more info, contact us at rawlessproductions.com. Hit us up on Instagram at rawlesspro. There's our website. Have a nice day.